were both ready. Me and Andy then were ready to drop a gear and disappear, and then that car put his indicator on. He's toying with me. He's like, go puts on his speed and like shoots off a bit and then slows down to speed limit. I mean, he stays to speed limit the whole time. But like he shoots off and then brakes and I'm like, ah. Oh, well done, Ashley.
Can't help cars coming, can I?
We're all out. How's my candle light? I actually think we're getting a really nice group of people together here. Don't you?
Yeah.
I know exactly where we are.
Yeah, that was that junction right near you are.
Yeah, so when I lived in up over the Humber Bridge, this is where I used to come to Mum's. Oh yeah, this is a gravel because he just flicked gravel at me.
What's these cars?
We're miles back. Oh, I can see you.
Jenna just sent it.
Of course he has. Well, we can nip in, or at least you should be able to nip in. Pedalers. Do you think pedalers ever look at us and go, oh, I wish I had a real bike? Or do you think they actually enjoy pedaling life? Yeah, I think we're getting a nice little group here actually. I think we have fun, but we're all respectful of each other, like riding wise. I like that. Apart from Josh, who never made it today because we think he's overslept. 100% he overslept. So much has fallen. Ash, Ash! Ash! It's alright, my boot's fallen off. My fucking boot's just launched.
Group connection lost.
How did that happen?
What is it?
My boot! Ah, me! Just go. My boot!
Oh,
Um.
is it clear?
Yeah. It slid and it landed on my bum.
Ah, do you want to lift back?
No, I'll race you. I mean, oh my god, look at the state of it.
Alright, that's the spray job again then.
Oh. I've never run so fast in my life.
Yeah, cheers mate.
Oh, that was a young lad as well.
Yeah.
James coming. I can't. How did that even come off?
No idea.
It fell off. Yeah, it was down there. I felt it whack my back there, and I was like, "What the f?" And then it was just down there. Is that? Doesn't look right, does it? That's all right, isn't it? That's not going to come off.
You thought that last time.
What?
You said that last time.
That bit went.
You gotta give him a push now.
Look at me helping. I can't believe that.
I got to practice for turning it round twice.
Right, does Shelly want a hand turning hers?
I don't know. Practicing to turn it round.
Go on, Shelly. Yeah, my boot! Yeah, my cover, it launched off.
Oh,
Look at the state of it.
I was really worried about you.
Come on.
I was worried about it.
I was driving back thinking different good. You'd hadn't turned up.
Yeah.
And then when I saw you, I thought, oh, it's burned out.
You said what?
When I saw you, we're okay. I thought, I wonder if your bike's burned out or something.
Oh, right. Yeah, no, that had just launched itself.
It's alright.
Yeah. I'm saying alright, my bike ain't starting now. A big believer in everything happens for a reason. So you know, I was like, I don't like Shelly being at the back. She needs to be in front of me. Just think if she was at the back, she would have got absolutely clattered by that. Yeah, in midair. Hacha! You what? Oh yeah, it's knackered. That's like a strip down to. That's back to plastic and filler. You what? Oh yeah, that's a good shout. I'll pick it up this weekend, remind me. That's a really good shout. Oh my god, you know when I resprayed it, why didn't I do that and just leave it to dry? Oh, what an idiot. Do you know what was dead weird about that though? So it slid down my back and it hit my bum, and I don't know how it slid that way and hit my bum. And not.
Just like to warn you to come off because it hooks into it, right, doesn't it?
Are we seriously turning right here?
Yeah. I mean, if it were my sat nav, I'd go left.
Yeah, it was weird that it just slid down to my bum and it tapped me on my back. That's why I was like, yeah, so it's just happened then. I don't know if I lost anything out my boot, but I wasn't about to run even further down the road. Yeah, there was 2 microfibers. I don't know if there was a tin in there, or any other small amenities. But I'm proper gutted that that's damaged it, but at least it's just that. You should have seen me, because it just went, I'm sure the sat nav, the Carter just went, what is it, connection lost, and I was like screaming, because you what? Maybe it was like connection lost, but because she's screaming that loud, we'll let it go through. Yeah, because luckily there was somewhere to stop there, but like I pulled up to that and obviously there was so many potholes with that gravel, I was like, yeah, I'm done here. And luckily there wasn't a car behind me, because that would have smashed the windscreen. Go on, lad. Shelly, bless her, were worried. She thought something had happened to me.
I did.
Did you? I know I like scream and panic, but I was like, I don't know if it cut off by then, I was like, I've lost my boot. It's always a drama. I just think when I'm screaming and panicking, you know it's not serious. If I'm not making any noise, that's when you know. Mum always said that when I was growing up. When I got like a paper cut or something like Gray's knee, I'd cry and like be really dramatic. And then when it was a good one and I'd actually really hurt myself, I just used to go, Mum, and was really calm. Calm in an emergency, not calm in a non-emergency. Judith's probably like, last time we was out with them, she headbutted a pigeon. Before that there was the dog, and now there's this. If you haven't seen them, I'll insert the pigeon and I'll insert the dog in here. If I've still got the pigeon clip. I don't know if I've still got the pigeon clip. I can't even work out how that undid itself. I couldn't have set it in right. You would have thought if it was falling out there, it would have fallen off in that gravel path, you know, leaving that. You what? Oh, that sign. Yeah, that's a bit mad, isn't it? Oh, he was going slower than I realised. have a look at this clutch when we get, well, not today because I'm going to be exhausted, but see if I can have a look at this clutch because it's very tight and it's pulling. I still can't get over that boot launching itself to the moon. I don't even know if the camera will pick that up. Well, I best say my goodbyes to YouTube, and I thank you very much for watching. YouTube.